In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Android phone overheating. The first thing you want to do is launch open settings on your device. Now scroll all the way down and find software update. Here tap on the download and install option. Now you want to install the latest version. Once that is done, you simply want to head back. Now you want to find the option of apps, tap on that. Here you want to find the unused apps. So for example, if Brave is unused, you simply want to select that. Then you're going to find the option of force stop, tap on that, then tap on OK. Now you want to repeat this for other unnecessary apps as well. You also want to delete the unused apps. So go ahead and select the unused app and then tap on the option of uninstall over here. Now to avoid heating, you simply want to avoid heavy multitasking. Do not run multiple heavy apps at once. Avoid gaming while video calling. You also want to monitor which apps consume the most resources and limit or stop those apps. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.